What's up guys, this is Professor Spawn and we are going to start with our new tutorial series which is called as Learning Android App Development using Kotlin, right? So before we start off with this whole course, let me introduce myself. My name is Professor Spawn. This is what I'm going to refer myself, and I have 4.8 years of experience in software engineering. I worked for various MNCs, and I have core experience in developing Android application as well as developing the machine learning application. So in this, I have decided like to use all my experience to teach to the world. So I have started with this, to learn the Android app, like how to develop an Android app using Kotlin. And I'm going to share my experiences while we develop this course. Also, this course is designed in such a way that you will be, have a first-hand experience about what happens in actual industry, like how do you develop an app, how do you write a code, how do you, develop some feature. So this is what we are going to do, right? So let's go ahead and see one by one about what are the various steps and stages we will go through. So the first thing first, what is the roadmap for this course? So the roadmap for this course is the first thing you're going to learn a new programming language. If you don't know this, so this language is called as Kotlin programming language. So we are going to have a series of tutorial to learn Kotlin, and then we are going to learn Android framework. This we are going to learn as we develop this virtual assistant app. So yes, in this course we are going to develop a virtual assistant app which looks like or which works like you have used Google Assistant, right? Google Assistant Siri. So it works uh, just like that. And also we are going to use bit.ai for the intent classification or intent recognition, and we are going to use bit.ai platform to develop the intents for our virtual assistant. So basically virtual assistant is something like you ask something to a machine and the machine respond you with an appropriate answer. So we are going to develop an Android application which works similar to Google Assistant. We are going to use the latest recommended architecture for this Android app. Like we are going to use MVVM as a design pattern. We are going to use retrofit. We are also going to use, write clean, concise, commented code. We will also use database if time permits, right? Also, the last but not the least, you will have an exposure to industry standard practices. This is my goal to, start this whole course to for the undergraduates, especially who are in college. I want them to, have the exposure to industry standard practices. So what are the learnings from this course? Once you complete this course, you will be able to write a code in Kotlin. You'll learn a new programming language if you don't know Kotlin. Also, you will be able to write, develop apps in Android framework rather. So also you will be writing clean and concise code. Also, you'll write how to write a code or how to write a commented code, how do you take care of the complexity of the code, and everything we are going to take care of in this course. Also, the last thing but not the least, which is to have a confidence in reading the complex code, whether you're reading the code in GitHub or anywhere, and you should be able to understand that what is happening. This is my goal. Like when I progress this course, when we progress this course, you'll learn a lot of stuff as and when it comes. So you'll be able to read the code, and also you will be able to write the complex code. So this is what I have been, I have designed this course in this fashion. And from next tutorial, we are going to start off with our new how do you set up a Kotlin project, the first Kotlin project. Till then, goodbye, guys.